Hey guys, Joe Renton here from Thinkaholics. We're back at Midwest Drayman. I'm here with Brad Pippa, an enterprise account executive with Map Anything. So Brad, what can you tell me about what you guys do?
Absolutely. So here at Map Anything, we are a geo-productivity software company, and the product itself is actually built on the Salesforce App Exchange and built on the platform. So you can actually purchase Map Anything through the App Exchange, download right into your org, and actually try it out. We have a 14-day free trial for any production org on the App Exchange there. And our product is now developed into what we call a where platform. So not only most people are very familiar with our core product of Map Anything itself, but we've added multiple products into our line that all fit into our core solution.
Okay. So let's assume, some people don't know what Map Anything does, your core product, the geo piece. So, how would you best describe it for someone, and who would be the type of company that this could really benefit?
So we developed a product for field teams, whether it's field sales, field service, really making and driving productivity in the field, whether it's planning your day and seeing your Salesforce data in a visual landscape, because as you can see behind me, we're in a map and we're able to visualize your Salesforce data into this mapping interface and base decisions off of it, where do I need to visit, where do I need to go that day, based around the metrics that your company's using. From there, we actually develop optimized routes and give you a route to follow for your day in the field, and then bringing it into the mobile platform, because everyone here is in the field mobile, and be able to execute, whether that's do all your Salesforce activities, turn-by-turn directions, be able to gain all that information on your mobile device.
Okay. So I'm a sales rep in the field, and I know I'm going to go to this client. So how does it kind of help me figure out who else I should visit and get there, right?
Absolutely. So you use your Salesforce data to enable and keep all of that information on your Salesforce about your clients. How much are they purchasing, whether it's sales data, information about what maybe products I want to talk to them about. And then you can visualize when I'm in that area, okay, here are the targets that I need to visit today based off the information that myself as a rep or my company is trying to drive for. So really pushing that productivity towards the key factors that are making your decisions.
What about if I haven't been somewhere for a while or something like that?
Absolutely. We can look at activities. So any object that you have in Salesforce, we can look to. And one of those key objects a lot of companies use is obviously tasks, activities, trying to track when was the last time I visited or spoke to the key decision makers. So if I can see that information, I can make a better choice of, was I there last week? Was I there a month ago? Maybe when's a good time to visit them again?
Okay. All right. So what are some of the other products you've got tied into that?
So one of the newest ones that we have is what we call Map Anything Live. And what Map Anything Live utilizes IoT, Internet of Things, and it's asset tracking in the field. So obviously, again, we bring our mapping interface, and you're able to actually track your key assets in the field. It could be people, things, places, anything that you're looking to track in a mobile aspect. A lot of teams are using it for their fleets or sales teams, and bringing that into the mapping interface to make decisions. And we drive all that information into the key source of record, which for our case is going to be your Salesforce cloud platform.
So what's some example, either products or things like that you would have this for?
So a lot of our companies, we actually just announced an OEM agreement with GM. So one of the fleet teams that we're talking about is maybe teams that have fleets of GM products, and being able to track those
washers
or GM General Motors products. So maybe their fleets or cars in the field.
Okay.
So actually trucks or deliveries that they want to track, and they want to see when they arrive onto their locations or Salesforce sites, and we can actually automate the process of updating records and updating the Salesforce information using that from their fleet management perspective.
Okay. So this is something I can relate to, I guess, but pizza delivery, you could see where they're all at.
Absolutely. So if you have a pizza delivery guy and you're tracking them via Map Anything Live, as they arrive to that customer on site, you would get information into Salesforce. Delivery is here. As they leave and leave that geofence, the delivery is leaving, so they're able to actually track that into their Salesforce platform.
So could you use that to maybe notify the customer they're coming, or?
Absolutely. So now just, when you're using Salesforce, you have all those key triggers and notifications. You're able to update that and have that work simultaneously.
Okay, well that's very cool. So, all right, so if people want to get their hands on it or reach out, learn more, what's the best thing for them to do?
Absolutely. You can go to the App Exchange. You can look up Map Anything and Map Anything Live in the App Exchange, or you can reach out to mapanything.com. We have all the information there on the website as well. All
right, well, thanks so much for your time.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Hey, if you like our videos, please be sure to subscribe and follow us on Twitter.